Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to embed an Edpuzzle video into your Pear Deck. So you will need the two websites open, the Pear Deck website and the Edpuzzle's website. Okay, so here in the Pear Deck dashboard you have different options. For this purpose we're going to choose create a lesson. So this is going to generate a Google Slide file that you will use for your lesson. Meanwhile, you go to Edpuzzle. Okay, so you created already an account and this is your dashboard. You will see that you have different options to search for videos. I'm going to use YouTube because I want to create a listening activity for my students using a song named Me Gustas Tú by Manu Chao. Me gustas tú. Something very simple. Okay. Me gustas tú, Manu Chao. All right. So this is the version I'm going to select, the school version. And I open this here. So let's see what is happening with Pear Deck. Sorry if I'm going too fast. You can pause the video as needed. It's just that I don't want to waste your time at all. So, okay, so it takes a little bit more time opening the website. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now that you are in Pear Deck, again, I am in Pear Deck, you are going to add a new slide. Okay, you add a new slide. And make sure that you already chose or insert your Pear Deck app into the Google Slides add-on. Okay, that was explained in one of the modules of this course. If you haven't done it, please do it. Okay, and since I did it, I'm gonna open it. This is gonna take a few minutes, so I'm going to go back to Edpuzzle and work on my video. So the first thing is that you're going to copy the video so you can modify it as you like. That means to create your activities. If you already use or have used Edpuzzles, you know that you can insert multiple choice questions or open-ended questions to your videos to check for understanding. So that's what I'm gonna do, but in a very simplistic way. So I'm gonna edit it. I already know this song, and so I'm gonna do this very quickly. I know that at the beginning he says, oh, he mentions the things that he likes. So he says, I like aeroplanes. I like you. I like to travel. I like the morning. So I'm gonna pause it here. I'm gonna create a multiple choice question asking what things he does not like. Que no le gusta. Let's emphasize on the word no. Okay, and don't forget the upside down question mark that I'm not going to to put right now, but don't forget about that. So let's say that the first choice is aviones, then trenes, then tú, then mañana. Sorry, mañana. So because I know the video already, I know what is gonna be the answer, right? So the only thing that he didn't mention was trenes. So this is gonna be my answer. Make sure that you unselect the others, okay? So once you do this with your video and you create all your questions, blah, 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 you save it. You save it. and it's gonna show you how it's gonna look like for the students. So click on continue if that looks fine, and then you finish. Okay, so you have your video ready. Make sure that is in the video. Okay, so here in this timeline it shows you where, in what point of the video, the multiple choice question is gonna show up. Okay, so it's gonna be here, you see, so the students can choose the right answer. So this looks fine to me. So what I'm gonna do is, what I'm gonna do is that once this is ready, click on share preview. So you share preview. This is very important step. In this window you have two options. The first one is to share the link, the website's link, with somebody else, or you can embed it in a website. We're going to use the second link, but we are not gonna copy and paste the whole thing, okay, the whole code, just whatever you find inside the quotation marks, okay? So this is what you select, not the whole thing, okay? So until here, this is what you do. And then copy link. After that, you go back to Pear Deck, okay? So now I have everything ready, and click on this option here, website. Okay, so paste the link that you copy. Sorry, something went wrong. You see, it's because for some reason everything was copied. I don't know. I'm just gonna go back and do this again. Sorry, just make sure that is only what you have inside the quotation marks. Really? Let's try this again. I'm not gonna edit this part of the tutorial because I want to show you how you can solve this problem if this shows up. Copy link. Let's try it again. It should work. What's wrong with this? Okay. It seems that if this happens to you, it seems that it copied the whole code. So what I would do is just to get rid of whatever is not inside the quotation marks. That's something simple to do. You can do that if things happen, right? And there you go. Okay, I fixed it. So update the slide. So this is ready to go. It's taking some time. Good, excellent. So it should be available for the students to use. Of course, you will create other slides with your lesson, blah, 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 but I'm just gonna show you how you could share this with your students and how it looks like. So I'm gonna say start the lesson. Great, so it looks like the activity is here. So this is ready to be shared with your students. So now you open a new window in which the students will insert their code to have access to it, which is this one. This is the code. I'm feeling optimistic. And finally, okay, so they are able to interact with the video in your lesson using Pear Deck. Okay, so this is basically the short version of the tutorial that I also shared with you in the module. But if you have any questions, let me know. They should be able to watch the video and answer the questions here. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed and talk to you soon. Bye.